At first glance, this Land Rover Defender 110 might look like any other beautifully restored vintage SUV. Rugged, boxy, timeless. It embodies the Defender's legendary off-road character. But take a closer look, and more importantly, step on the accelerator, and you'll realize this isn't your ordinary Restomod. This is ECD Automotive's Project Powder Keg, a fully electric Defender that merges classic looks with cutting-edge EV performance. ECD Automotive, a company renowned for crafting high-end Defender Restomods, has gone a step further with this build by installing its electric direct EV drivetrain. The traditional diesel or gasoline setup is gone, replaced by an 84 kilowatt-hour battery pack and an electric motor delivering 300 horsepower and 368 pound-feet of torque. That's plenty of muscle for off-road adventures, yet it comes with an unexpected twist: complete silence. Imagine climbing trails, wading through streams, or conquering rocky terrain in a Defender that makes almost no sound, other than the crunch of gravel beneath its wheels. The Defender EV offers a range of up to 200 miles. That's respectable for weekend adventures, though it does mean owners will want to stay within reach of charging stations if they plan to explore further afield. Fortunately, charging is quick and convenient. A 10 to 80% recharge takes less than an hour, ensuring more time spent driving and less time waiting. What makes Project Powder Keg particularly exciting is how much of the Defender's original off-road DNA remains intact. The SUV can still be driven in both 2- and 4-wheel drive modes, giving enthusiasts the confidence that this EV isn't just for show, it's still a capable off-roader. Visually, the transformation is subtle, staying true to the classic Defender spirit. Finished in Bonatti gray with shadow black accents, the SUV wears its rugged heritage proudly. The absence of exhaust pipes is one of the few clues that something unusual is happening under the skin. To enhance utility, ECD fitted a 6-point external roll cage, a new A-bar bumper with a worn winch, and roof-mounted LED lights. At the rear, additional lights, a steel bumper, and a new spare wheel complete the look. All in all, it strikes the perfect balance between old-school toughness and modern capability. Inside, ECD gave the Defender a complete makeover to match its electrified performance. The cabin features Recaro orthopede seats wrapped in luxurious veludo pale leather, ensuring comfort during long adventures. A new Exmor Evander steering wheel, custom gauges, and billet aluminum accents add to the bespoke feel. The addition of a modern infotainment display ensures that while this Defender might look vintage on the outside, it offers cutting-edge functionality inside. There's no official word on the cost of Project Powder Keg, but anyone familiar with ECD's builds knows these are not budget machines. Each Restomod is meticulously crafted to order, combining heritage, craftsmanship, and modern technology. For the passionate collector or adventurer who wants the soul of a Defender with the benefits of electric power, the price is almost secondary. ECD Automotive has proven once again why it stands at the forefront of the Restomod industry. Project Powder Keg blends nostalgia with innovation, offering a unique driving experience that honors the past while embracing the future. It's a Defender that looks vintage but drives like tomorrow, a symbol of how classic off-road icons can survive and thrive in the age of electrification.